Hello guys, how are you all doing? For today's video, I am going to show you what I got from Victoria's Secret. Anyway, Victoria's Secret is buy 2 get 3 free now. They're on sale. And this is what I got. I'll show you guys. And if you love autumn, are you ready for the autumn? This scents and body mist is must to have. I got the collection for autumn. It's called Dreamy Apple Orchard. This smells so good. This is one of my favorite smell during autumn season. I'm obsessed. It smells so good. And this one is the same because I love apple scents. I get 2 of the apple scents. And this one is the Cozy Vanilla Cashmere. This smells so sweet and cozy. Something must have during autumn season and winter. I'm not gonna spray because I already sprayed the other one. I also got lotions like the same cashmere, cozy, and apple. It smells so good, guys. I think all of this perfume from Victoria's Secret, I gave this 5-star because I love Victoria's Secret and their scents last longer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.